number 26. Okay, take out page number 26. Okay, in that page only some information is given about the chapter. See dear students, I already explained you each and everything about the chapter, So before start study, I want to take a small recap. In chapter number 4, houses, we already learned that why we need a house. We need a house to live in. Early men used shelter or caves to protect themselves. We all want to protect ourselves from all type of weather, season and strong wind and insect bites. ठीक है? अब apart from all these things, there are two types of houses: कच्चा house and पक्का house. कच्चा house is made up of mud, straw and bamboo. It is not very much permanent. It is not very much strong. पक्का house is made up of brick, cement, steel, iron and glass, and it is very very strong. ठीक है? In the villages you can see कच्चा houses. In the cities we can see पक्का houses, bungalows and multis, है ना? Apart from these two houses, we discussed about a Eskimo and the tree house also. ठीक है? So there are 4 types of houses, है ना? Then we had a discussion on that roofs, types of roofs, sloping roof and flat roof. Then we had a discussion on temporary houses. Temporary houses में in the last class we had discussion on that houseboat, caravan, stand and igloos. ठीक है? So houseboat always float on water. We cannot see houseboat over here in our Khargon or our surrounding Khargon. No. Houseboats you can see in Kashmir. There is a Dal Lake. There is a Jheel, Dal Lake. Jheel, the name of that jheel is Dal Lake. So you can see over there. Then caravans. Caravans is a movable house that has the kitchen, bedroom, drawing room, washroom, all the facilities in the caravans. Tent is made up of clothes. That cloth is very very strong and especially soldiers and army persons are using. And then igloo is made up of snow, and these types of houses you can see on mountain areas, on hilly areas. ठीक है? And the quality of igloo, it is very very warm inside. It is very warm inside. ठीक है? Then we had a discussion about what are the qualities of the good house. And today we have discussion person, those who are making the house, those who are helping us to build a house, to make a house, right? So everybody open your EVS book, take out page number 26 and see the pictures carefully. See the pictures carefully. The heading is pupil who build a house. What is the heading? A heading is pupil who build a house. Pupil who build a house. This is the heading. ठीक है? अब pupil who build a house, it means here we will discuss pupil, those who are helping us when we are going to construct a house. Pupil, those who are helping us when we will going to build a house, to make a house. So here we will discuss on that. ठीक है? अब नंबर 1 पे आया आपका आर्किटेक्ट. नंबर 1 पे आया आपका आर्किटेक्ट. What is that? Architect. Architect means architect is a person who design, who draw the plan of the house. ठीक है? Architect is a person who draw the plan of the house. It means how many types of rooms are there in a house, where is person who will draw, who will plan for your house. नंबर 2 पे आता है mason. नंबर 2 पे आता है mason. Mason means in Hindi we can call it मजदूर. In Hindi we can call it मजदूर और कारीगर. Those who are giving their work to build a house. ठीक है. A person, those who makes walls of the house, those who makes roof of your house. ठीक है. That person is called mason. और in Hindi we can call it कारीगर. In Hindi we can call it कारीगर. Now number 3 पे आता है कारपेंटर. नंबर 3 पे आता है कारपेंटर्स. कारपेंटर्स. अब कारपेंटर इज अ पर्सन दोज हु मेक फर्नीचर फॉर आवर हाउस. दोज हु मेक फर्नीचर, दोज हु हैव डन द वुडन वर्क, दोज हु आर द स्पेशलिस्ट टू डू द वुड वर्क. लकड़ी वाला काम that persons are doing, we are calling them carpenters. We are calling them carpenters. Carpenter means a person who make furniture for us, है ना, and who fix the door of your houses, who fix the windows of your houses, who make the furniture for you. Those persons are called carpenters. They will do the wooden work. ठीक है. नंबर 4 पे आता है आपका प्लम्बर. ठीक है. प्लम्बर मीन्स प्लम्बर इज अ पर्सन दोज हु फिक्स द टैप, दोज हु फिक्स द टैप एंड पाइप्स ऑफ योर हाउसेस. इट मीन्स they will work for the water supply in our houses. If plumber is not there, then who will fix the tap for our houses? Who will do the work for the water supply? Because without water we cannot do the household works. All the household work need water supply. ठीक है. Nowadays what kind of, there are so many types of water supply facilities we all are having at our homes, है ना. We all are having geysers, we all are having the so many types of and more others facilities also na. So the plumber work is also a very important work when we are going to construct a house, when we are going to build a house. ठीक है. अब आया इलेक्ट्रीशियन वाला. ठीक है. अब आया नंबर 5 पे इलेक्ट्रीशियन. Electrician. अब electrician means a person those who are fix their wire, the switchboards, the fans, the AC connection, your television connection, all types of electricity works they will do for the house. So we can call it that is the electrician. What is the job of the electrician? Electricians are fit the wire, the switches, the boards, the fans, the different types of beautiful lights, the AC facility, all types of electric facility they will do for you. ठीक है. Last but not least number 6 पे painter. Last but not least painter. Painter means a person those who are painting your walls of your house, those who will make your house beautiful by doing painting. So we can call it painters. We can call it painters. ठीक है? Here we are completing your chapter number 4 houses, and chapter number 4 houses has 5 parts. ठीक है? So understand about this list. This is the list of people, those who give their contribution to build a house, to construct a house. Number 1 पे आता है architect. Architect is a person who plan the house, who make the map of the house. Then आता है mason. Mason means in Hindi कारीगर, those who make your walls of your house. Then आता है carpenter, who work for you, who make furniture, wooden furniture for you. Then plumber fix the tap and water supply work he will do. Then electrician will fit the switch, the wire, the nets, the boards, the electric supply to your house. And then last but not least, painter. Painter means a person who paints wall for you. ठीक है? So here we are completing your chapter number 4 houses. Now open your EVS notebook and write new words of the chapter. ठीक है? Everybody open your EVS notebook and start writing EVS chapter. So first, what you will mention, you will write chapter number 4 house and new words. ठीक है? Let's write new words of the chapter. ठीक है? Everybody, all of you ready to write new words? Hope you all are ready. So write first word. Your word number 1 is strong wind. See, this I am going to rub, so I will get more place to write. ठीक है? New words. You will mention the heading chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. ठीक है? Chapter number 4 and your heading is new words. ठीक है? Let's start write new words. Your word number 1 is strong wind. Strong wind मतलब भयंकर वाली हवा. ठीक है? Word number 2 है protect. Because house always protect us. Number 3 पे है kennel. Dog lives in kennel. Number 4 पे है stable. Number 5 पे है den. Number 6 shed. Number 7 nest. Number 8 coop. Number 9 kacha house. Number 10 pakka house. ठीक है? Number 11 apartment. Number 12 single Number 17, ceiling. ठीक है, देन उसके बाद है आर्किटेक्ट। ठीक है, नंबर 19, yes, only 18 new words are there. I am not in front of the board, so you can note down the new words of the chapter. Strong wind, protect. Number 1, strong wind. Number 2, protect. Number 3, kennel. Number 4, stubble. Number 5, den. 6, shed. 7, nest. 8, coop. 9, kacha house. 10, pakka house. 11, apartment. 12, single story building. 13, multi-story building. 14, flat roof. 15, sloping roof. 16, ventilation. 17, ceiling and architect. Better note down fast. Do your work always on time. जिस दिन का काम है उसी दिन फिनिश कर लिया करें, so you will not get the extra burden, right? Bye bye from my side. When we will meet in the next class, get ready with your EVS notebook, your pencil, eraser, sharpener, and we will solve the remaining exercise. So till then,